Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Jeep Patriot tail light, updated. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and gathering a flat screwdriver, 10 mm socket, and replacement bulb or assembly. Work with the trunk open and a flashlight for visibility. Remove the interior trim panel carefully to access fasteners and store bolts in a small container. Keep the new bulb clean and avoid touching glass surfaces to prevent premature failure. Start by opening the rear hatch and removing the interior trim to expose the tail light mounting bolts. Use a 10 mm socket to loosen the two bolts while supporting the assembly with one hand. Pull the tail light outward carefully to avoid scratching paint, then depress the wiring harness tab to unplug it. If replacing a bulb only, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull straight out to remove the old bulb. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durable comfort while you wrench on your Jeep. They hold up to hours of work and keep your feet happy during long projects. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Install the new bulb or replacement tail light assembly by aligning it and pushing the wiring harness connector until it clicks. Reinsert the mounting bolts and tighten them snugly. Avoid over-torquing, which can crack the housing. Reinstall the interior trim panel and close the hatch. Test brake, turn signal, reverse, and parking lights from outside the vehicle or with a helper to confirm correct operation. Make adjustments if alignment or sealing looks off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.